This is a revision list. You've already learnt that ARE can make the air sound, and you've learnt AIR and EAR as well. Air as in hair and air as in bear. But this is the ARE for the air sound. There are 858 words that contain ARE for the air sound, and it usually appears at the end of a base word. Now, the other thing we're covering in this is a revision of the prefix change rule, where if the base or root word starts with a B, an M or a P, we change the prefix IN into IM to make it easier to say the word. So you can go through and highlight the ARE and the IM in these ones. Now let's go through and look at what these words mean. Share could be a stock, or it could mean to divide evenly or to ration out something. There's an idiom that contains the word share as well. So the lion's share means that you take the bigger part of something, or the biggest part of something. Declare means to make clearly known or to announce something officially. Prepare means to make ready for use. And there's an idiom that relates to that too, and that's when you hope for the best, you prepare for the worst. Have a think about what that might mean. Software are the programs used by a computer. Farewell means marking someone's leaving or retiring or departing, to say goodbye and wish them well. Immobile means static, not in motion or unmoving. Immigrant is a person who has moved to a new country. Improvement means advancement or betterment. Impossible means not able to occur or exist. And immediate means instantaneous. Write the word again at the top of the page. Then here we want you to write the list word, then match it to its meaning. So you just have to make the words and use different colours to link them to their correct meaning. Fill in the gap with the missing list word from above. Antonyms mean the opposite, so find the list word that means the opposite to each of these given words and write the synonym or the word that means the same as each of these three given words. Use the two list words in a sentence, so two list words that you must use in one sentence. We've got two pairs there for you. And finish the idiom, then use it in a sentence. Now, we discussed these idioms yesterday, what they mean, but today we're asking you to write them in a sentence to show that you understand their meaning. Filled in the words above, you're going down here and you're going to write the list word in its verb form. So you're changing improvement to improve. Immigrant to, what will you put there? Immobile to whatever you're going to put there. Then you're going to have to add two of the verb forms above in the empty rows of the verb families below here. So you've got two lines here, and you could put improve in one and migrate in the other with its different tenses. Now fill in the gap with the missing list word or extension. It's quite easy, you should be used to that by now. Turn the list word from an adjective into an adverb by adding ly, and we've done that quite a few times by now too. So use the adverb in a sentence, and you've got a line there for each of those sentences. This whole page is on the prefix change rule, where we're changing into im or sub to either sup or sus. So the first part is where we're changing the prefix from in to im, and we've already discussed that it usually happens before a B, an M or a P if the base word starts with one of those letters. So you can go through and fill in each of those and then write them in the correct space below. And then it says before these consonants we change the prefix into im. That's pretty easy because I've stated it for you. Insert the sub, sup or sus here. So you have to work out when do we change sub to sup or sus. Write them in their correct space once you've worked out which is the correct prefix form. And then down here, we want you to go a bit further. When the base word begins with a P, sub changes to what or what? When the base word begins with a T, what does sub change to? And then choose three of the words from in or im prefix, sub, sup or sus prefixes and use them together in a sentence below.